welcome to Gruvgear Guitar, a great song from Bella K. I deserve better. Ever felt that before? I believe everybody has. So thank you for watching here on this tutorial. A great song from Bella K. Let's dive into this one. I just shortly want to mention my new channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 years ago. It's a link up here somewhere. Go and check out that channel. That's the best way to thank me and subscribe and be back now for this one. Now let's go into this without any capo. We're gonna use bar chords mainly, so that's the reason. Now let's go into the 4 chords I believe we need to go for to have that song covered when it comes to kind of playing chords and strumming. Then we're gonna have some picking patterns as well, some other grips or so, but yeah, 4 chords is what we need for just handling the strumming. So the first one will be the E, and that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We have next the G sharp minor. It's a bar on the 4th fret. You push down all strings there, and then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. We move down to this position, and that will be the F sharp. So the bar is now on the 2nd fret, and you push down all strings there as well. And then you need to add 4th A, 4th D, and 3rd G. And the final chord is kind of C sharp minor slash G sharp. So what that means, we're gonna use a G sharp note. So yeah, you're gonna have a new bar on the 4th fret still, and also all strings covered there. So it's mainly in the same way as the G sharp minor. That's where we find the G sharp note. But then it goes kind of in a C sharp minor fashion. So you're gonna have the 6th fret D string, 6th fret G, and 5th fret B. So that is the chord, and the G sharp note there is because we want this kind of darker feeling to it. So that is the 4 chord you need to handle when it comes to chords and strumming. But now we're gonna focus on a verse, and that's a picking pattern, verse and pre-chorus. So for E, you have the picking pattern of that, okay? So you hold the full chord as it is. You're gonna play open E string together with the 1st G, then open E, 2nd A, open E, 1st G, open E, and 2nd A. So okay, next is this, the G sharp minor. You hold that chord again as it is. You play same pattern, just a different grip, so same strings. So that means that translates into 4th fret E string together with 4th G, then 4th E, 6th A, 4th E, 4th G, 4th E, and 6th A. So then you're gonna move down to that F sharp chord, hold that as it is, and you're gonna play the same pattern. Sounds like this. So that means you're gonna play the 2nd fret E string together with 3rd fret G, then 2nd E, 4th A, 2nd E, 3rd G, 2nd E, and 4th A. And then in the pre-chorus, we have this D sharp kind of chord. So that means it goes like this. So slipped on one note there, but still I'm gonna teach you how to do it. So you're gonna play the 6th fret A string. And by the way, I suggest to hold a short bar on the 6th fret. You can push down the 3 strings, the E, A, and D. That's what you need for this picking pattern. You're not gonna play this for kind of strumming. We're already past that. So you're gonna play this for picking only. So bar on 3rd fret plus this 8th fret added on this D string. So that is how you do it. So again, the pattern is 6th fret A together with 8th D, then 6 E, then 6 A, 6E, 8D, 6E, and 6A. So hopefully the right pattern comes right now. Yes. So there we have the 4 patterns you need to handle with picking. So picking style goes for verse and pre-chorus, and we're going to go into it right now. You're going to play E2, G sharp minor 2, the F sharp 2, and back to E2. You're going to play that round for 2 times. So slowly like this. And notice it both starts and ends on E. Okay, so there we have the verse play. You're going to play for 2 rounds. Then comes the pre-chorus at 32 seconds in. You're going to follow the same patterns as I just told you and you learned. So you're going to play E2, the F sharp 2, the D sharp 2, and the G sharp 2. You're going to play it for only 1 time. And that is a pre-chorus. Then we're going to come into this chorus part at 43 seconds in. I love to play myself, that's where on the lyrics. Now starts the strumming, and we're going to look into that strumming pattern. So if you grab the first chord E, you're going to play like this. Okay, so that means you're going to play first 3 downs. Then comes the up, up, down. And then down, down, up. That's it. So down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. A couple rounds. All right, so the chorus is played E, 1 string around, the G sharp 1, the F sharp 1, and then this C sharp / G sharp 1. You're gonna play that for 3 rounds. 1 round goes like this. Three rounds of that, guys, and that is the first round. And back to the second round now. We're gonna start with the second verse. It's played the same way, but only for 1 round of that E, G, F, and E. Picking patterns still, and then we're gonna go into the pre-chorus. That one is twice as long, so it's 2 rounds of that E, F sharp, D sharp, and G sharp. And then comes the second and final chorus. It's played in the same way. You're going to play for 4 rounds, and that's it. And then you're going to finish off the song with the outro. That is the chorus chords. You're going to use them, the E, G sharp, F sharp, and C sharp / G sharp. You're going to play 1 down per chord. You can also play for strumming. It's up to you, but you're going to play for 4 rounds this chord progression. And that's it, guys. Okay, so Bella Case, I Deserve Better, a great, it's a powerful song. You have 2 different techniques with the picking pattern and strumming. So yeah, give it a shot if you like it. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.